All right, you are welcome back to the channel. This is Flavia Bako, and if you are new here, I will encourage you to subscribe to the channel as we look at tools, we look at techniques, we look at strategies on this channel to be able to identify winning trades, because here we don't want to find ourselves in the red all the time. Remember, on the stock market, you need your capital to be able to trade every time, and so we don't want to blow up our accounts, and so we are very careful the trades we take here, and we look at certain tools and strategies and then indicators that will help us analyze our charts very well to be able to make profitable trades. If you are new to the channel today, I want to ask that you consider subscribing to the channel, because you don't want to miss these juicy tips that will be coming up for you to take and then be able to be profitable on your trades. If you are a seasoned trader, or you are somebody who is, looking for sharpening your skills, then this is also your channel. You consider subscribing so that you don't miss anything. Once again, my name is Flavia Bako, and then on this video I want to give you certain combinations that gives you a sure confidence to be able to enter your trades and then watch your profits roll. Right, so on the chart you can see what I have here is that, let me see if I can undo and then put them back on so we look at it in totality. Right, so this is the chart I'm looking at. I'm looking at GameStop, right, that has been moving in a very interesting manner. And so the combination I want to give you, I want to show you certain combinations that you can have that will make your trading, a super one, and then will record your greens for you. Right, so here I want us to look at the super trend. So we go to TradingView, and for those people who don't use TradingView, please create an account and then use TradingView, because you have the free version. I'm using the free version, so you can use the free version and be able to look at your charts. It displays the charts very well for us. And so please, if you don't have an account, try and then sign up, and then you can get to use TradingView. Even if you don't sign up, and then you just go and then you go to tradingview.com, you click on charts, you'll be able to set up your charts and look at your assets very well before you take your trades. Yes, so I've applied the super trend. This is super trend. For those who want to be in trends, most of the time we have certain levels that we can trade. We can trade trends, we can trade support and resistance levels, we can trade so many price action. We can look at so many ways that we want to look at to be able to take our trades. And there are people who love to trade trends, like myself. So this indicator I've just applied to this chart is the super trend. It is simple for people who are new to trading, beginner traders, intermediate traders. Trading doesn't have to be a hustle. Every time you sit down and then look at the charts all the time, you don't know which decision to take. No, we have it as simple as super trend, where you can apply to your chart, and it simply just shows you the trend that the asset is on at a particular time. But if you look at this trend as we are seeing it, what will inform you at what level to either take a buy or a sell? You may never can tell. Here we have a downtrend. Okay, so let's start from here. Okay, let's start from here. We have an uptrend all the way here from 2nd of August 2024. It's been an uptrend all the way, built some resistance over here, very strong resistance over here, and then it came all the way down to let's say down all the way to this point. Okay, all the way to this point. Now, what can inform us that at this point it won't continue to go down? but it will go up, so we should be buying up. Or it will not stop from here, so we should be buying, we should be short selling. You see, these are some of the things we need to know. And that is why on this video, I want to show us how we can combine certain indicators to be able to further confirm what we are looking at. So here, right, this is it. It stopped from here and it took an uptrend all the way to this place. That is, you know, so from a price of 1994, it's been on an uptrend all the way to 2471. Right. Now at 2471, what will inform us that, well, there's been some resistance that has built over here, but what tells us that that resistance cannot be broken? Right. So we should be looking at by, you know, short selling. Right. Even though from 2471 it started moving, took a downtrend all the way, then it took an uptrend, then it took a downtrend further up a bit, and then a downtrend, and now it is on an uptrend, but it looks like there's some strong resistance also building up at this point. Right. So this is the hack. Okay, go back. We need a confirmation. All right, we want to start to do what? To enter a trade, you know, but we need a further confirmation. And this is the hack. Let's see. Let's just apply RSI and see what happens here. All right. Let's apply RSI and see what is here. Sorry about my phone. I have so many alerts on the phone. On stock market and prices. Right. So on the RSI, this is what is showing us. It's also shown us it has been on an uptrend. It's also around, I think, 66.82, but we can see that on the RSI it has also built some resistance here. But again, what will tell us that it will not go and break this resistance and come down. Right. Good. So let's see what we can do. So I will delete this one here since I'm using the free version. Then I'll apply the third one, MACD, so that we analyze and see what is happening here, whether we can get some confirmation. Right. So as you look at here, we are still having the same issue at this point. We can't tell whether the stock is going up or is going down. Do you see the confluence here? So here we cannot see where the stock is going. Here we need to be patient. Here we need to wait till, you know, the MACD crosses over to the down or to the up. Then we will know the trend that is taking. But let's look at this place. Let's assume we were here. Okay. Let's assume that we were here, somewhere here where we have price coming down. I hope you can see on the 28th of October, price came all the way down to 1995. Right. And we need a confirmation. At this point, we needed a confirmation to be able to see whether price will continue to go down or it will go up. Then we applied our MACD over here. So our MACD over here, we can see the MACD line crossing over the moving average. You see it, the blue line crossing over the yellow line, giving us an indication that price is ready to reverse. And it actually moved all the way here, and you can see it moving all the way here. That is exactly it. It moved all the way here from 1997 all the way to 2459. That is our hack over there. That is the confirmation over there. All right. So this is a super way to analyze your charts. This is just one example. Yes, so this is the way we look at we look at this to seek a confirmation as to whether we should be entering for the trade now or we need patience. So as you see the different scenarios, this is the way we look at it. And this is a free hack for those people who are new to trading. You could use just these two indicators and cash out all the time. Right. So if you have found any value in this video, please give it a like, leave your comments, leave your questions. I'll be grateful to have them and to answer them, and subscribe to the channel. And for those who have been here, continue to comment and to like. And let's keep learning and keep rocking and keep rolling on the stock market. I will see you at the top. Bye.